In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound in games on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the very first thing I want you to do is just go ahead in whatever game you're playing. It could be anything from your library, and just make sure the volume is actually turned up on whatever game you're playing in your system settings for your game. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead to your command center. This might sound very stupid, but check your volume. The reason I say this is because depending on what operating mode you're on, like if I go to turbo, as you can see, my brightness just lowered. This is because anytime you change your operating mode, it also changes your brightness and your volume depending on what it was previously at that operating mode. So go ahead and check your volume and just make sure it's actually turned up, because that might be a very simple fix as to why you're not, getting any sound when you're playing games. Now, another thing that you could go ahead and do is just go out of your command center, press your Xbox button, go to the second tab, which is settings, and now just make sure you're not connected to a Bluetooth speaker or anything like that. So mine says Bluetooth not connected, but yours might say Bluetooth, and then it might say speaker or like a headset or anything like that. If you want to be 100% sure, just turn off Bluetooth, and then your sound should be working again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.